Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to compare the performance of Claude versus Microsoft Copilot versus NotebookLM, which is another tool by Google. And I just wanted to see which one would work better, for example, when it comes to creating PowerPoint presentations. So the example that I'm going to use, Claude inside of PowerPoint to create a PowerPoint presentation about, let's say, second life batteries. And now we should see this is the presentation that came out from here. So really all I did is just open Claude here and I just asked it to create this PowerPoint presentation about second life batteries. And this is simply what I got. You'll see the presentation is actually quite nice, right? It's first of all, it's editable, right? So you can go ahead and adjust it the way you want. You can see here, it's pretty good overall. Of course, there is some issues here. There's some design here or icons. Here we don't have those. Of course, I can go back and forth and improve it. But that I would say maybe the first or the second iteration. So what I'm going to do next is I would like to test Microsoft Copilot inside of PowerPoint as well. All right, so now I got PowerPoint open, and now I would like to test Microsoft Copilot. Please note that I've got Microsoft Copilot here up and running on the top right corner. And you should also see if you have Copilot license activated. Now you should see the ability of creating a presentation. You can also create a presentation with file as well. So if you have, let's say, a PDF or Microsoft Word document, you can import it here. And you can just say, create a PowerPoint presentation. It's going to tell you, okay, create a presentation about what? So now I'm going to say about second life batteries and be concise and generate the results in 5 slides only. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So now we should see Microsoft Copilot basically creating the PowerPoint slides for us. First, it's going to come up with an outline initially, and then it's going to ask me, do you approve the outline or not? If everything works, I'm going to say, sure, please go ahead, create the PowerPoint presentation for us. So now it's working on it. If you'd like to stop the generation at any time, you can just press escape on your keyboard. And I'm going to give it a few minutes to run, and then I will be back once the slides are generated. So here we go. Now we should see Microsoft Copilot basically creating the outline for our presentation. And so now you should see it came back with the understanding of second life batteries. It came back with an application of second life batteries, life cycle of EVs, future trends and innovations. And of course, you can pick some of the recommended templates here by Copilot, or you can use your own as well here. Let's say if your company, let's say Simplicity here in my scenario here, I can upload a template and now it's going to create these PowerPoint slides directly inside your template. So now let's maybe pick one of these, maybe pick this one, for example, and let's say generate slides. And now you should be able to see Microsoft Copilot generating the text and the images as well of these PowerPoint slides. So let's wait and see. It's going to take a few seconds for it to run. So here we go. Now you should see Microsoft Copilot came back with these slides. And let's say I'm going to say keep it. And let's go ahead and view some of these. You'll find that this is the introduction here of second life batteries. I really like the image as well here, of course. You can see there is an agenda. These are the images here talking about, okay, first versus second life batteries. I really like the icons here. They're actually pretty cool. And I would say like Microsoft Copilot actually came a long way. It's actually improved quite a bit compared to early or previous versions. Now you should see the icons here are actually quite detailed. You can see how beautiful these are. You can also see some of the icons here as well are really nice. And I'm actually quite impressed too. And of course, you'll see that Claude did not purely generate images that looks like that, for example. It just generated icons. And you will find that the way the Claude structured the PowerPoint slides are different compared to here. For example, if you go back to Claude here, you'll see that it extracted all the important information and just plug it here in these rectangles. And you can see as well that these are editable too. So now you can go and move these around as well if you want. And this is, I would say, the signature when it comes to creating slides inside of Claude or using Claude, I would say, inside of PowerPoint. And here you will find that Microsoft Copilot, you will see it actually generating here full scale images. And I really like them both. Maybe you can combine both of them together to come up with the ultimate or best presentation. Okay, so finally, I would like to show you one of the most powerful tools available out there, which is what we call it NotebookLM. And NotebookLM is a tool that is also that is here developed by Google. And you just go to NotebookLM, you sign in with your Google account, and on the left-hand side, you just upload sources. For example, what I've done here is I uploaded a bunch of PDF files. For example, this is an example of one of the PDF files that I uploaded as part of, let's say, second life batteries information. So think of it as I'm guiding the AI and I'm asking it, okay, I have all these documents. I want you to create a PowerPoint slide deck. Actually, it's not going to be a PowerPoint. It's going to be a PDF slide deck. And this is going to be the plan. So really all I need to do is I uploaded all these materials here. If you'd like to upload sources, you can just say add source. And now you can upload files and you can just go ahead, link as well websites, link YouTube videos and so on. You can also upload materials as well here on or via Google Drive. So these are the documents that I uploaded. I also linked here one of the YouTube videos as well that talk about second life batteries. And really all I've done here is after you upload all these different sources, now you can come here to the NotebookLM Studio and you can just say, create a slide deck for me. Please note as well that you can click on that pen here, and now you can also customize the slide deck. You can make it, let's say, detailed, you can make it short, you can also describe here what you want, for example. And I have generated this already, and let me show you the amazing slides that have been created. So this is the slide deck that has been created here by NotebookLM, and I think they are unbelievable. If you think about it, they are just completely different level. You can see the quality of the text here that has been created. Look at the quality of the images. Look at these images. It's like a pro designer created all these PowerPoint slides. Let's take a look at this. This has kind of unlocked a different level, I would say, of creativity. And this is, I would say, how you can see NotebookLM creating PowerPoint slides. Look at these diagrams and look at the text as well. Basically, all of that is just the creative imagination of artificial intelligence. You can see it actually took a battery here. It created all these design. And please note that Google or Gemini specifically is incredibly powerful when it comes to multimodal AI content generation. So if you'd like to generate videos, if you'd like to generate images, or here in this example, these figures, Gemini is in a completely different level. You can also see if you scroll down, these are all the different slides. Look at these, okay? So it's actually really powerful. But of course, there is a caveat that all of these are right now in a PDF format. So now if you'd like to download it, now you can go ahead and download it, but it's going to be in a PDF, right? So now you need to find a way to take that and basically import it inside of PowerPoint. So what I usually do is I get the PDF from here, and you can use Canva to read it as an editable, basically, file, and now you can go ahead and edit it. Basically, what I heard is Google is going to release these as editable. So this is going to happen very, very soon. So maybe by the time you're watching this video, now this could be editable directly inside of PowerPoint. And here we go. Now you got these three techniques. You got Claude, you got Microsoft Copilot, and also you got NotebookLM as well. And with that, that's all I have for this video. And that simply concludes our module. Please stay tuned. Best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video.